out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy Vlogmas day 9. I am on my way to the gym. It is really early. And then after I leave the gym, I need to do a few errands and then make it back home because I'm waiting on my wine delivery today and I have to sign for it, so I need to be here. So I didn't go to the gym yesterday, but I didn't beat myself up about it. I was really busy yesterday. But it's all good. So I'm going to work out for an hour today, get my errands done, and I'll see you guys back here. Yeah, so I forgot to show y'all. I bought this the other day. I'm just getting my purse and stuff ready because I'm going to the store after. But look how cute this is. I got this from Shein for like $11 or something crazy like that. I didn't know it had this gold chain. I'm not crazy about it, but I don't mind it. So just wear it like this. It's so cute. Look at this. Reminds me of the Louis Vuitton bag like this. And you can also hold it like this if you want to. But I thought this was so cute. So I'll have the link to this in the description box for y'all if you guys are interested. I think they have a few different colors too. I'm not too sure. And it has this link right here. I'm not sure if you can connect it a different way, but it has this right here too. But I thought it was so cute. All right, let me get out of here. I have my pre-workout mixed in this little cup right here. And I'm going to get my workout on. Peace.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come all ye faithful.
Okay, y'all, so I just got a package in that I've been waiting for, and it is from Bright Cellars. So thank you so much, Bright Cellar, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Bright Cellar is a monthly wine club. So all you have to do is take a 7-question quiz, and they'll match wines from all over the world curated to your palate. And what I love the most is that it's delivered straight to your door. The customer service is great. If you have any issues, they got you. You can also log into your account and rate your wines when you receive them. So each wine comes with its own information card, and it basically just gives you a breakdown about the wine, the alcohol percentage, the profile of the wine, the serving temperature, and what the wine is best paired with. So this is the one that I'll be trying, Hers and Him. Cheers. Bright Cellars is offering a 60% off their first 4-bottle box. That's 4 bottles for just $38. Amazing deal. So I had to make a store line. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. I had to go to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbag this stuff and I'll show you what I picked up.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Okay, so I went to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. Salsa, spicy hummus, chicken empanadas, vegetable spring rolls, olives, fried rice, and langostino tails. So I basically get the exact same thing every time I go to Trader Joe's. Some of the things that I usually get they didn't have, but y'all already know I love this salsa, and this is my all-time favorite hummus. I love it. I saw this. Tony really likes beef and chicken empanadas, so I decided to grab this. This is my first time buying this, so I'll let you guys know what I think. And then y'all know I love to snack on olives. These are my favorite kind. They do have the pits, so if you get these, be careful. And then y'all know I love this rice because I usually mix it with steak sometime or shrimp, but mostly shrimp is so bomb. And then I didn't even know they sell these in Trader Joe's because I usually get mine from Costco, but it's basically little lobster bites. So I have some lobster bisque, and I'm gonna add this. And then from Whole Foods, beet juice, sweet kale salad, broccoli, sugar snap peas, malt milk, oat milk, Italian cheese blend, mint leaves, and this is 2 lobster tails because I went to Whole Foods first and I bought the lobster tail for my lobster bisque, and then when I went to Trader Joe's I saw these, but I use them different ways, so I love this. And I could do like a little stir fry and add these. They're really good. This is how they look. So I'm trying this almond malt milk for the first time because of the simple ingredients that it has. So it's just 5 ingredients. It's filtered water, organic almond butter, organic natural flavors, Himalayan pink salt, organic vanilla extract. So yeah, so I wanted to try this. And then this one, I've tried oat milk a few times, but this one also has only 5 ingredients. So I'm trying to see which one I like better. This one has filtered water, gluten-free oats, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. So we'll see. And then that's pretty much it. That's all that I picked up from Whole Foods. This beet juice, it's not my favorite one. I've been trying to make my own beet juice lately, but I've been lazy. So I just grabbed some of these. And yeah, that is pretty much all that I picked up from the store. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff away. And then I'm going to do some lobster bisque. So this is the one that we've been like in love with. This is so good. This one is from Costco. You do have to just add, you know, like your salt and pepper or whatever. I add a little bit of sea salt to it, and I think like some garlic powder I think I added last time, but it's really good. And then it has lobster pieces in it, but not enough. So it's a 2-pack. I don't know how much this was. I forgot how much it was. But get this and let me know what you think. Add you some lobster in it. Because that's what I like to do. I just add lobster. And like I said, I probably add like some garlic powder, a little bit of sea salt. And yeah, it's bomb. This is our second time purchasing this. It's really good. So I also went to Sephora. I just had to re-up on some more of my Kiehl's microdermabrasion. I had Tony squeezing the last drop out of the last one. And then I am trying a new lip balm. I saw this on TikTok. So it's called Summer Fridays. Let me open it. See what it looks like. The one I saw on TikTok was actually like the jet lag or something like that. But this is it. And let's see. This is, can y'all see that? This is the consistency. And it smells good. Let me see how this feels on the lips. Oh, feel nice. So, y'all see those boxes at the door? Well, I had a lot of boxes at the door. I had some Fashion File boxes at the door. That box right there is HelloFresh box. And I was supposed to break the boxes down. But girl, I put them all in one big trash bag. I couldn't fit the HelloFresh box. Because girl, I don't have time to be breaking that thing down. That's too much work. I just throw it in the trash bag and go on about my business. So I got to go pick up little Tony. And I bought a new plant because I need one for my balcony. This one right here is doing very well. But don't ask me what happened, okay? I don't know what happened. It just died, okay? And this is what it looks like. So I have a new one to replace that. So I'll be doing some planting today. I know this looks crazy. It looks kind of scary, actually. But I don't know what happened, how this happened. Did a bird come like, I don't know. But this is what I'm working with, okay? So we gonna get this fixed. I know it looks bad. I know, trust me. It looks terrible, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm getting ready to go get my son, drop that bag off. My husband gonna think I did everything he told me to do, because when I have packages, I always have so many boxes and I'll leave them at the door. And I know that's not fair for him, because he's like, damn, like try to break the boxes down or something. So instead of breaking the boxes down, he gonna think I broke the boxes down and took them to the trash. But I really just put them all in the trash bag and I'm gonna take them to the trash. So yeah, let me go pick up my son. I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so here's the new plant. This is cell phone footage, by the way, because I left my adapter in the car. But this is the new plant. So beautiful. Let me get the name of it because I always get so many questions. This is the name of the plants that I have. All of them are the exact plant. So yeah. And this one was about, I think like 50 or 60 bucks. Let me see. I was wrong. 55 bucks for this plant. So I'll probably tackle this tomorrow because it's time for me to cook dinner. So
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time.